Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Slow Silas from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the mustache. Let's draw an S-shaped curve over to the left and bring it up at the end. And the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's curve it back in towards the center. And now let's color it in black. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right. And now let's connect it underneath with a curve across. Now inside on either side, let's draw a line down. And then a curve across the center behind the mustache. Now let's add some vertical lines for the teeth. Let's start with one down the center. And then continue it out on both sides. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it up. And then let's add another curve down next to it on both sides. Now at the top, let's add the eyes. Let's draw a curve across. And then an oval shaped curve up and back down. And then inside, let's add a circle. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and finish drawing the rest of the face. Let's start on the bottom left and let's curve it out and around. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's follow that same curve as the mouth down on both sides, forming the neck. Now at the end here, let's add the tie. Let's start with an angled square shape. Then from the top corners, let's curve it out and then curve it back down. Now for the bottom part of the tie, let's draw two long angles down. And then a point at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move inside and draw the stripe pattern. On the sides, let's draw two curves. And now diagonal lines in the top section. And the same thing in the bottom part of the tie, but going the other way. And that's it for the tie. Next, let's move back and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath the left side of the tie and let's draw a curve down like this. And let's do the same on the right, but this side, make it a little bit shorter. Then from the end, let's curve it out to the right and up at the end. And the same thing underneath, coming to a point at the end. Now let's hop on top and add the shell. Let's start on the right of the tie and let's draw a wavy line over to the right and then curve it down. Now let's move inside and add the swirl pattern. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw an S-shaped curve up, bringing it over to the right and down. Now let's move inside and do the same thing. Now from the bottom line, let's curve it inwards like a spiral. And now let's do the same thing from the other line and then connect it up at the end. Lastly, let's move on top and add the hat. On the top of the shell, let's draw two curves up. And then connect them at the top with a curve across. Now on the top left, let's draw an angle up, then an S-shaped curve over to the right, and then down. And that's it for Slow Silas. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!